Howdy folks, Chuck here, Wynot Wander, November the 17th, I believe, Saturday morning. We just had some bacon and eggs. Tell you what, this is all about the Mutley crew this morning. They know we're sitting at the table together, we're probably eating, and they all think they ought to have some. So, Miss Linda's kind of teasing them with bacon right now. We did some bacon in our new wave oven. Had some eggs, a few scrambled eggs. Had some pancakes I did over there. Kind of a mess in my cooking area right now. If you've been following us, you know we got an induction hot plate there and a 2-burner electric hot plate. I got a new Lodge cast iron griddle a few months ago. The one I had got broke somehow. I don't even remember how now, but pulled it out of the cupboard for the first time this morning. Made some pancakes on it. It is cold and snowy outside. I'm going to open this window just briefly. I don't really know how well you can see through that screen, but it looks like, looking at the tire tracks out there in the road, we probably have about 2 inches now. Snow's still coming down, almost horizontal, got a little bit of breeze. I was thinking earlier, boy, it's a good thing there's no wind or it'd be drifting, but the flakes are so small right now, it's not a huge problem. You can see a vehicle going by there on the highway. The snow plows have been by, but we're kind of thinking this might be a good day to stay in. We both had a shower this morning.
There's my picture.
Linda's got a picture of the Mutley crew waiting for food on her cell phone there. We got Jasper, Sparky, Lily, and Cooper. Now Cooper, because he's just such a wussy, Linda found him a blanket, or a sweater, I guess you'd call it, the other day. He's, okay, I thought those were handles. Anyway, he's a lot calmer when he has that on. He's the last one out the door when it's time to go out. Sparky never did really mind the snow. He'll go out, if I'm outside, he'll go out and run and play in it. We've had our showers, and having said that, once again I'm going to touch on that Hydra Hot heating system we have out there. A lot of RVs, all they have is a 6, maybe a 10-gallon water heater. I do see now there are a lot of propane-fired, they call them endless hot water, tankless hot water. You get as much hot water as you want. With our Hydra Hot, it heats with a diesel burner in there. It's got a blower in it that blows kind of a mist, ignites it, and that thing will heat water as long as you want to take a shower. So basically it's endless. We're hooked up in the park. Now we are still kind of careful with it. That same system heats our water for our heater in there. I know I've mentioned that before, but we try and kind of use the electric part of it more. It's not enough. It doesn't heat fast enough for a shower, but it did run the furnace all night last night. Now that we're plugged in, of course, we don't have to worry about the batteries. We got the heat tape on our water hose and the water hydrant out there. So we both had nice long hot showers this morning, and then we cooked a little breakfast. But I'm also going to mention again my electric hot plates over there. Underneath there's covers over a 2-burner propane cooktop. Now this morning I ended up using the induction hot plate right here for eggs, the double burner electric cooktop to do our pancakes. I could get 3 across on that cast iron griddle, and we used our new wave to make bacons. First time I've done bacon on the new wave, boy, that is just so slick. Turn it about halfway through. I found out if I did it about 8 minutes on the first side, 7 minutes on the second side, it comes out nice and crisp, just the way we like bacon. Also got a couple coffee pots and an ice maker back there for
That's a mess right now.
for being RVs. We haven't really shortcut ourselves any on electrical appliances or anything like that. Linda prefers coffee from the Keurig. I just make regular pot coffee in the Mr. Coffee. Then next to it with the blinking green light, that's our portable ice maker. Once again, because I'm having knee surgery in a few days, for the first couple of weeks I put ice on that quite a lot. Helps keep the swelling down, helps ease the pain some. Last time we were having to go out and buy 10-pound bags of ice every day or two. Keep them in the refrigerator at my daughter's house where I'll be staying. I'm surprised I didn't close that cupboard up there before I started filming. Anyway, you're seeing how we really live in our RV.
And Lily's
On a winter morning. Lily still wants to. What does Lily want? Usually when she acts like that, she wants to go outside. But then now Linda's kind of playing with them. They all feel like playing. They won't play with each other. Well, in fact, Sparky has a little less tolerance for Lily sometimes than the others. But, let's see, where was I? The hydrant for endless hot water, cooking appliances. So actually, that 2-burner propane cooktop isn't enough for me to fix a good breakfast. But we really like the electrics there, and when we're plugged in, or even when we're out boondocking running the generator, I can do a lot more cooking that way than with the 2-burner. Plus, we only have like a 20-gallon propane tank on this, but the only things that run on propane are the cooktop and the refrigerator when we're traveling. So we started the winter with a full propane tank. We're going to be plugged in now till after Christmas. So unless we decide we need that propane cooktop, we won't even be using any propane. You see a lot of RVs in RV parks with large propane tanks hooked up to their rigs so they can have heat through the winter. It's really not an issue for us as long as we have diesel, but with a 100-gallon diesel tank, and really the only time we run that's if we need showers or if it gets really cold and I need a lot of hot water for doing dishes, something like that. So
Cooper.
Miss Linda's arguing with the dogs, trying to get them to go outside. Cooper really doesn't want. He knows what she wants.
Yeah, come on.
Sparky, go outside.
Come on, Sparky.
They'd rather be inside like me where it's warm. I still have to do dishes and things yet. Haven't eaten my last couple bites of pancake here, but while we had the Mutley crew gathered around, we do have some viewers that really like those dogs. So 4 dogs we travel with, we call them the Mutley crew if you haven't been a follower for a while. So she's got them out now. We're right on the edge of the RV park. There's nobody parked close. Lily's kind of prancing around in the snow. Well, you know, that might be, it's been blowing in a little bit. We got a tree, if you can see it, right over there. I could maybe open this up and show you a little bit better. So it's probably drifting in just a little bit right here in what was a grassy spot in front. So wind blowing from the north. Looks like it might have let up a little bit. It's about a 45-degree angle on the snow out in the road, but it's kind of coming straight down right here, right next to the coach. But, so it's a dog's life on a winter's day. But that's pretty much my vlog for today. Winter, oh, there's Miss Linda. Wave again. Okay. Miss Linda's waving to everybody. I'll wave too.
Cooper, come on, Cooper.
I'll be back again tomorrow, working on doing a daily vlog here till after I get my knee surgery done. Just kind of keep people updated on what we're doing, where we are, winter camping in an RV. So now it's nice to be in an RV park where we do have water. We got sewer, we got all the electric we're going to need, and for the most part our heating system runs off electrical on that hydro-hot system. When it gets ultra cold we can turn on the diesel burner, get extra heat, but for the most part it works pretty well. So okay, so it's a little later in the day, about 4 p.m. I think. Still snowing in Gearing, Nebraska. Well, now depending on just where you look on this picnic table, it looks like we probably have 3 to 4 inches of snow there. We went out, had lunch with daughter Michelle, son-in-law Ryan. Got the dogs out. They were ready to get out for a little walk here. Lily's turning into a real snow bunny. We never really had, we haven't had snow like this since we've had her, because we immediately headed south after we got her in May a couple years ago. Had a light snow in Wyoming a couple years ago when we were back. Sparky's never really minded the snow much. Used to get the snow blower out, clean off the walks in the driveway, and he'd go out and run in the snow. Yeah, he could get high center if this stuff was any harder. But
come on, you guys, let's go this way. Come on, Lily. No.
Anyway,
Cooper hasn't been out yet.
our winter camping trip
Come on. Come on, this way.
in Nebraska,
Lily, come on.
November 17th, 2018.
Come on, buddy. Oh, there you go.
Scottsbluff National Monument. You can kind of see the shadows through the snow. You can see the snow coming down against the pine trees, which is really kind of pretty. It's a pretty snow. It's coming down gently. The wind has gone down. Don't really have a wind out here.
You can do it.
Miss Lynn and the Mutley crew.
Cooper was pushing on his chest.
He hangs a little low.
Good boy, Cooper.
So, anyway, just showing you what we got. This is supposed to be the only day of snow we have. It's supposed to be up in the 40s tomorrow. A lot of it will probably melt. Next few days going to warm up into the 50s. And should be fairly pleasant. This isn't really that bad to deal with. Got icicles hanging from our awning topper there. Really kind of pretty. When we moved into the RV, we told ourselves we were going to spend winters in the south, not deal with snow, but the scheduling of things just worked out this way. It's not unmanageable. We're doing just fine. I was doing that mainly to get the weight of the snow off the awning topper there. The ice cubes seem, or the icicles seem pretty well stuck. Looks like our heated water hose is working just fine. There's no snow really accumulating on it. I had the camera turned away. Guess you didn't see the snow coming down on me from that little deal there. I don't know. It'll pop back up. So anyway, snow in western Nebraska. 3 days before knee surgery. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, yeah. So, okay. We're going to head back in. Got some chores to do inside. Going to make some fudge to take to daughter Cindy's house for Thanksgiving. Look at Lily, what?
Look at her face.
Oh, yeah. She doesn't mind the snow, does she?
Say your name.
Lily, Lily, oh, look at her. Little Jack Frost nipped your nose. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be safe. Have a great day. See you on the next video.